Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the cylinder location and firing order of a Toyota Matrix S 2.4 liters from the years 2009 to 2014. Here, we have a very clear example of an engine from that vehicle. To find out the cylinder location and firing order, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the vehicle. Standing there, we open the hood and look at the front of the engine. Once we're in that position, we'll have the following order and location. On the left side will be cylinder number 1, and on the right side, cylinder number 4. Like I mentioned before, that's as long as you're standing right in front of the engine. Next is cylinder number 2, followed by cylinder number 3. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, meaning the passenger side. Then, cylinder number 3 fires. After that, cylinder number 4 fires, which is on the right side, the driver's side. And finally, cylinder number 2 fires. Well, my friends, I have nothing more to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.